Bear Snores On. Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great big brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight. He sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls, and the night sounds growls, but the bear sleeps on, snores on. And itty-bitty mouse, Peter-pat, tiptoe, quick claws into the cave. From fluff, cold snow, mouse creeps. Too damp, too big, too dark. So he lights twigs with a small hot spark. Coals pip, pop, and the wind stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak a peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And here hops in. Oh, Mouse, they say, "Long time no see." So they have white corn, and they brew black tea. Mouse sips sweet slurp. Hair burnt, big burnt. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by. Sniff. A bear scuttles by. Sniff, sniff at the air. I smell yummy yum. Perhaps we can share. I brought honey nuts, badgers say with a grin. Let's divvy them up. Cozy down and dig in. And they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a rare and a raven flutter in the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" Twitters, winds, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own way. He stokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew, then small pepper flop flick. Makes the bear chew. He blows and he sneezes. The whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. It's crap. And he snails. Bear growls and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. You snuck in my lair. You all have fun, but me, I was sleeping and I have none. And he whimpers and he moans and he walls and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Now squeaks. Don't bust with squeaks. We can pop more popcorn and we can brew more tea. Bear gulps, bear gobbles. He sighs. What a delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blistering night. When the sun peeks up, the crisp clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. The end.